case briefs, and so much more. LS Data's got what you're looking for.
A heated legal debate centered on electronic privacy was resolved in the 1994 case, In re the United States for an order authorizing the installation and use of a pen register and trap and trace device, as the United States District Court for the Middle District of Florida sought to delineate the conditions under which law enforcement could use certain surveillance tools. The case began when law enforcement authorities sought permission to utilize a pen register, a device capable of recording dialed phone numbers from a specific line without a traditional warrant. In an initial setback for the government, the magistrate judge in the Southern District of Florida refused the application. On appeal, however, the Supreme Court sided with law enforcement. They declared that the use of a pen register doesn't violate an individual's right to privacy, as famously defended by the Fourth Amendment, because there isn't a reasonable expectation of privacy when dialing a phone number. Nevertheless, the court underscored that the data extracted from the pen register should be germane to an ongoing investigation. The jurists also examined the viability of multiple extensions for pen register use and how long each extension might last. They determined such extensions were acceptable but not without limit, indicating that the statute proposed, subsection 3123(c), allows a pen register or similar device to function for a 60-day period, with a possibility of a 60-day extension if law enforcement properly applies for a Section 3122 order. Post-decision, the case was sent back to lower court for further action, with the caveat that the government must explain why this issue was raised for this particular court rather than the original jurisdiction in the Southern District of Florida. The case pivots on the delicate balance between privacy rights and law enforcement's utility of technology, shaping the framework of electronic communication privacy in the subsequent decades.
Case briefs and so much more. LS Data's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.